There's a fridge on my camera. That's not weird. What is up, guys? Brandon here with some major scruff going on. Anyway, today's gonna be special because today I'm making something for you guys. So stay tuned and I'll tell you what I'm making and how you can get it for free. Everyone likes free, right? Alright, so what I'll be making today is this thing. It's a belt. Now I'm sure if you're into fashion at all, you've probably seen this buckle, right? The clicky buckle, the easy access buckle, the buckle. Anyway, it's a cool buckle. With the past few videos, I've made something that I saw the idea for online somewhere, usually on YouTube, and I took that idea and made it my own and made it even better, in my opinion. This time it's a belt. Usually the projects I take on take about a month or two to get done, and luckily for you guys, this one took me about 4 hours. So it's something that I can actually make regularly. So get ready for that. This specific belt here I made for my dad, and it's one of those belts with the little buckles, the click buckles. But I attached a piece of tape. As you can see here, it's the herringbone pattern tape going along the entire belt, and I also embroidered that tape before applying it. As I mentioned earlier, I'm doing a giveaway, and the belt that I'm going to be making in this video is for you guys. So if you want to join the giveaway for your chance to win one of these custom clickety bickety dickety chickety rickety dickety belts, if you want one of these for you, all you gotta do is like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and go onto my Instagram, follow me there, and comment on the post that you see of this belt. That's all you gotta do. So again, to enter the giveaway to win this belt, all you have to do is give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, where you will comment on the post that I put this belt in. After all those things, you will be entered to win a free custom clickety dickety rickety bickety tickety belt. I'm not gonna bore you with too many details, and I also don't want to do what I usually do and just voice over and put in clips and talk the whole time. So this time I'm gonna try something a little new. I'm gonna put an edit together, and that way you can see me make the belt in a cool way. That was corny. Anyway, if you don't like the edit and you prefer for me to do a in-depth tutorial type video where I go over the entire thing and talk through it, then let me know in the comments and I'll take it into consideration. But for now, I'm trying something new. So without further ado, let's get into that edit. That was a fail. Let's try that again. All right, and here it is, the finished product. So very similar to the belt I showed earlier in the video, except the detailing is in burgundy, which, fun fact, is my favorite color. So again, if you like this belt, if you like belts, if you're like me, drop a comment, follow me on Instagram, drop a comment there on the post that I put up of this belt, and subscribe, and you'll be entered to win this belt for yourself for free. And also, if you like the belt so much that you can't wait to see if you're lucky enough to win it, you can buy one. Just send over a direct message over at Instagram or email me at Brandon Jerez, which is the name of my channel, at gmail.com, and let me know what you want. I can do these in different colors. If you have a suggestion for a color that you really like and you want me to do the pattern in, go ahead and tell me that. I'm also going to be asking for your waist size so I can cut it down. Again, if you want one before I pick a winner because you just like it that much, or you want to support this channel and what I'm doing here, you can send me a message via email at brandonjerez@gmail.com, or you can send me a DM direct message on Instagram. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to enter to win, give it a thumbs up and do all that other stuff. And good luck to you. And good luck to me. I hope a few people actually want this belt. Right? Sorry to interrupt. Brandon from the future here. Just wanted to take some time to thank my little brother for the beats used in this video. His info is going to be in the description down below. Keep up the good work, bro, and back to the regular programming. So that's it. That was the custom military clickety brickety dickety belt. If you have any suggestions for future videos, or you like something I did in this video compared to the others, let me know and I will adjust accordingly. I'm still new to this YouTube thing. Not that new, but new to doing it again, because I've been doing it for years. I just never figured it out. Trying to do it this time. So let me know and I'll get to tweaking it so that you guys will watch me for a while. Thank you for your time, and I will see you next time.